Shifting gears, MAN Truck and Bus showcased its full range of low-emission vehicles at the MCVE 2024. Highlights included the MAN TGS Prime Mover and the versatile MAN TGE van, making its debut in Malaysia. To support fleet maintenance, MAN Malaysia extended its Shah Alam service center hours from 8:30 a.m. to 2:30 a.m. Monday through Friday. They also promote the Genuine Parts Eco-Line range, offering remanufactured parts at significant savings. These efforts underscore MAN's dedication to providing reliable, efficient, and environmentally friendly vehicles, ensuring businesses stay ahead in a competitive market.